Horses out, the Royal Aires past the begin, Madame Leonora on the outside, and in third comes Chanson Dior. Sudden burst now moving up to take third, and followed over by Atoy Porras. Alongside is Manalang, and trails the field is Princess Sadarna. We have Madame Leonora by Oralang Canehapa. Moving up by the now is Sudden Burst, Chanson Dior in between horses, and about 4 lengths so in fourth, Atoy Porras, Manalang, Royal Aires second last, and Princess Sadarna. And that's still Madame Leonora by about 2 lengths. Chanson Dior still in second, and in third, dropping back is Sudden Burst. Atoy Porras in fourth, Manalang moving up on the outs, and now is Royal Aires and Princess Sadarna. Madame Leonora still in front by about 2.5 lengths. Chanson Dior still in second, and moving up now to take third is Royal Aires. Running by the Relport now is Sudden Burst, but it's still Madame Leonora by about 3 lengths. Moving up on the outs, and now is Royal Aires as they come down to the last 150. And it's still Madame Leonora by about 3 lengths. Royal Aires running by the Chanson Dior. Madame Leonora still in front by about 3 lengths. Royal Aires now moving up to take second. And finally, it's Madame Leonora. Royal Aires, Chanson Dior, then comes Manalang.
Second favorite, malayo. Medyo malayo yung second favorite to, no?
Yes. Banderan tapos. Madam Leonora, 24. Yung forecast na 4-1.